Hello guys, you're welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download free soil datasets from the FAO Soils portal or the Food and Agriculture Organization Soils portal. And the dataset that I'm going to download today in this tutorial is called the Harmonized World Soil Database. So, by the way guys, if you've ever watched a video on this very channel where I have shown you guys how to come up with a nice soil map which looks like this, I have to let you know that the dataset that I use to come up with this map, I have got it or I've downloaded it from this very web portal, Soils web portal. So in today's video, you're going to learn how to download from this portal. So let's get started. The first thing is I'm going to head over to a blank tab and I'm going to type FAO Soils portal. So I'm going to search that. Alright guys, so I'm going to click on this FAO Soils portal right under the official website of the Food and Agriculture Organization. So I'm going to click on that, and right on this page guys, I'm going to head over to this tab right here, which is the data hub. So I'm going to click on that. Alright guys, so because I'm going to download Harmonized World Soil Database, I'm going to choose these soil maps and database. I'm going to click on this button and it's going to expand a number of options, but for this tutorial I'm going to download the Harmonized World Soil Database, and I have two options for that, and that is this Harmonized World Soil Database version 1.2 and then this updated and this latest version, which is the Harmonized World Soil Database version 2.0. And basically this is the older version and this is the newer version, and apart from that they also have some differences in terms of details about the soil data. So when I click on this, which is the Harmonized World Soil Database version 2.0, we're going to look at some of the differences between these two versions. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to scroll down guys. Yes, so right here when you look at this change log, this is basically this change log is basically trying to tell us what are some of the differences in this newer version, which is the 0.2 version of these soil datasets as compared to the previous version. So I'm really not going to go into details of this change log, and if you really want to have a concrete understanding of how the newer version varies from the older version, you can read this and you get a clear understanding of their differences. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to head right to the download. So under this download guys, I am only interested in these two download options. That is this database in .mdb format, and there is also this Harmonized World Soil Database Raster. So these are the two datasets that I'm going to download and you're going to download if you want to do soil mapping. So this is a spatial dataset in raster format, and it is the dataset that can be mapped because they contain spatial information about the soil. Meanwhile, this database is just a tabular dataset, like a tabular file containing attributes describing the raster dataset. So you can map this without this. You can map the raster datasets without the geo database, but you cannot map not the geo database but the database, but you cannot map the database datasets on or in a GIS software without this raster datasets. Why? Because the database does not contain spatial informations that can allow them to be mapped on a GIS software. So you have to download both, because to get a meaningful output from the soil dataset, you need these attributes which are contained in this database file. And also to be able to map this information in a GIS environment, you need this spatial dataset in raster format, so that the whole thing or the whole datasets can be mapped correctly, or can be mapped on a GIS software interface. So that is it, guys, and for that reason you need both datasets, because all of them are equally important. They are equally important. Without the database, the raster datasets may have less meaning, and also without the raster datasets, the database file will not be able to get mapped on a GIS software. So I'm going to click on both datasets and download all of them in zip format, and after that I'm going to unzip and get the folders for these two from these two datasets that I'm going to download, and from there I can use it for any of my GIS application that I would want it for. So let me click on this, and the download has already commenced, and I'm going to also click on this, and the download has also commenced. So that is it, guys, with how to download free harmonized world soil database. And thank you guys for watching, and if this video helped you, please like it and also subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this. See you guys in the next tutorial.